In this video, I'll show you how to see watch history on Facebook. So if you have been watching some videos on Facebook or some reels, I'm going to show you how you can see your watch history. So ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Head over to your Facebook account, right? Click on this account. Click on this. It's going to load up, right? Wait for it to open up. Click on the settings and privacy. Click on the activity log, right? So if you have watched a couple of videos here on Facebook, if you have watched some reels, if you have watched some long form videos and a whole lot of them, and you'd love to see the watch history of all of them right here on your Facebook, you're gonna see all these options right here. So you can see videos you have watched, right? So if I click on it, so I've not watched any video right here, so I don't think there's any video that's gonna display on these videos you have watched. So but if you have watched some couple of reels, some couple of long form content, some comedy, some educational video, right, you're gonna see everything here, right? So this is basically how you can see your watch history here on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I will see you all in the very next one.